Hey guys, I am doing this snow cup. I really wanted to do kind of a snowy, icy cup. So starting off with my cup, I had already prepped it and just spray painting it white. And then I did this kind of light powdery blue in the center, kind of fading it out. Now I'm going to add some glitter, of course, and I'm using my Artistry Tumbler and Art Epoxy. Just a really thin layer so that we can add our glitter. So these glitters are from my Ice Castle collection coming up. I don't have names for these yet, but I will soon. I just was really inspired when I did this collection to make a cup with it, and what better cup than like a snowy ice cup. So starting off in the center, I kind of used this more kind of blue iridescent one. Then on the very top and bottom, I used this. This is a glitter flake. So I'm not sure what this one's going to be called yet, but it's just I have 3 already, so this will be a 4th one. Then I kind of added a medium blue in between the 3, so there's 3 different shades of the blue there. Or sorry, there's white and 2 different shades of the blue. I did seal it with some Rust-Oleum clear spray paint, and then we're just going on with our layer of Artistry Epoxy. Then I wanted to add some snowflakes. So I first went out and cut out the snowflakes that I will put on later. Then I did the offset of those snowflakes so that we can do a peekaboo of the offset and put these snowflakes inside the peekaboo. Sorry if it's confusing, you'll see what I mean as I'm going. But while I'm putting these on, let me just take a moment and say thank you guys so much. I just hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel, and I'm just so happy. I'm so thankful. I love doing this. I love getting to, share what I do with you guys. Yeah, just thank you. I don't know what else to say, but I'm so excited. So once I had those decals on, I sprayed it the entire cup with that lighter blue shade. Then I went over that with the white. So I gave that a good 10-15 minutes to dry, and then I peeled the decals off. I don't like to wait till it's too dry. You can end up peeling off paint that you don't want to remove. But I wanted to include the peekaboo with the distressing on this. So I did the peekaboos first, and then we'll distress it with, I was going to say alcohol, no. And then we'll distress it using acetone. So here we go with the acetone. You really just use a paper towel and just kind of scrub it away. So I really wanted to show off a lot of that glitter. So I really wanted to, or just kind of leave the spray paint in more that central area, but still going through and adding kind of streaks where you get to see the more darker blue color. And then I also kind of rubbed off the inside of the peekaboo lines. I just didn't like the harsh lines that it had, so I kind of faded that as well. But you can see how cool it looks where you can still see the blue spray paint underneath. Then taking just a Q-tip and kind of cleaning up around, because I feel like when you do the paper towel, it leaves a lot of the spray paint residue. So if you just get some Q-tips and just keep switching it out, you can really get the shine of that glitter back. Just takes a little time and quite a few Q-tips, but definitely worth it in my opinion. So then once I was done, I went and painfully weeded these little tiny snowflakes. I don't know why I picked like the most intricate designs, but here we are, of course. And then I was trying out lint roller sheets. I've seen where there's clear ones, but I can't find the clear ones. But I was not a fan of these. I just was like, I'd rather just use duct tape. I don't know. This is a like opal iridescent vinyl that I'm using. I thought it would just look really pretty with the ice and wintry theme that I have going on. So once all of my snowflakes were on, I went ahead and did, I think, 2 more layers of the Artistry epoxy to finish off this cup. And that is what she turned out. I thought it was beautiful. I love this kind of wintry snow look. And I'm so excited to release my Ice Castle collection. Just keep an eye out. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.